coming to our show.
Thank you for having me here. It's such a great pleasure.
It's our pleasure too.
Oh, thank you.
So, Strela, to begin with, would you please tell us about the very meaning of your name,
Strela.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be honest with you.
Yeah.
Strela, Strela, does not really have a meaning.
Okay.
But when I got it from my mom,
Okay.
she kind of had this passion to go to Australia.
Okay.
So she named me according to the place, Australia.
She fell in love with,
Yeah,
with Australia so much.
Yeah, so she gave me the name.
And
Kind of, yeah. You take out the A somewhere, I somewhere, and
it comes Strela.
Strela.
It's a beautiful name too.
Oh, thank you.
And it really suits you. And I must really say that you are looking gorgeous today with your black dress.
Oh, you're looking so handsome right now
Thank you,
too.
thank you. Not many people say that. I'm really thankful for that. Wonderful compliment. Now, can you tell me a little bit about your family?
My family consists of so many people.
So many.
Yeah. But if I were to say, then my father was a journalist.
Okay.
And he is Thounaojam.
Okay.
And with the blessing of God, I must say.
So, Strela, you have won so many awards. And recently, especially the Miss Manipur 2017.
Yeah.
You've been crowned as the beauty queen. So, I mean, I'm curious to see your crown. I'm sure all the viewers also would like to see.
Really?
Can you show us your crown?
Okay.
To see how this looks
like.
like?
Excited.
Yeah.
Actually, I have a box, but as of now, I carried it on my pouch. I mean, it's pouch.
Now it's the unveiling of the crown. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see.
Yep.
Oh, it's a glittering, beautiful crown.
It's something that
Can I call it?
Yeah, sure.
Oh.
How's it?
It's pretty cool. I mean, it's really,
But
really
all the
cute.
credit goes to Sir Heli, Ma'am Sonia, and Sir Robert for choosing this crown.
Yeah. And I'm sure that all of the viewers would like to see you crowning this crown. Please.
Oh, okay. Right. I don't have a mirror right now, but is it?
Yeah, you're perfect from all angles. Cool competition.
Yeah. Well, I've got so many people who motivated me, who inspired me. But if I say about my role model, then that would be Camille Del Orifice.
Okay.
She is
Camille Del
Orifice. Yeah.
Orifice.
Yeah. And she is 85.
85.
Running 86.
Where is she from?
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm so sorry.
We'll Google it.
We'll Google it right now.
Anybody who wants to know about Camille Del
Orifice.
She is around 85.
86.
86. So you can Google it out. So yeah, tell me about her.
Yeah, see, the thing that inspired me about her is that when you listen to her speak, she tells you about how she grew up, about what she's been through.
Okay.
So something that I had to learn from her is that you have to live for yourself. You know, sometimes you try to make people happy.
Yeah.
Even in myself, in my own case, when I was a child, I tried to get good marks to make my parents happy. And I tried to look good, carry good food at school to make my friends happy.
Yeah.
I tried to behave good so that my teachers would be happy. But life, when you talk about life, it's at the end of the day, you want to be happy yourself.
Right. Then you can make others happy.
Yeah. So thinking about what she said and what I have with myself, so I kind of realized that making myself happy also counts.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's why she inspired me a lot, and moreover, she's the hottest person
alive.
Yeah, alive. Yeah. And when you talk about inspiration, and motivation, of course, that would be my mother. because she kept me moving,
Okay.
even in worse times
Yeah.
and bad times.
Yeah.
Because you know, you tend to fall. People tend to fall down.
Yeah, of course.
But there has to be a hand to pull you up
Yes.
and tell you, "Come on, Strela, keep moving."
Yeah.
That's not the end of the day.
Okay.
I mean, every sun rises, you know,
Yeah.
every day.
There's always another nice day.
Yeah.
So
So
she acted kind of a garden for your dreams.
yeah, see,
To try to protect your dream, keep it alive. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's it.
So
Okay.
it's going to be a first time for us also,
Yeah.
and I'm sure for many of our viewers too.
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna sing a song. It's a song by Camila Cabello.
Camila Cabello.
It's kind of like bello, but you have to pronounce it Cabello.
Cabello.
Yeah.
So she's a Spanish singer, right?
I think she's from Cuba.
Cuba. Okay. Cuba. They
And
speak Spanish.
the song that the name of the song is Havana.
Havana. What
It's
does
like
that mean?
Havana is kind of like a place, and she in the song she showed it like how she was when in the previous part of her life. What had happened
When she was in Havana.
Yeah, kind of like that. When in Manipur you have that
Yes, yes, yes.
something like that.
Yeah, we do have that
Yeah.
legendary song.
Okay, should I?
Yeah, sure.
Havana, una na. My heart is in Havana, una na. It took me back to this Atlanta, na na na. Oh, but my heart is in Havana. There's something about its manners. Havana, una na. Didn't wanna come up with how you do it. Said there's a lot of girls I can do it. I knew him forever in a minute. Papa's just he got mellow in it. He got me feeling like ooh. I knew it when I met him. I loved him when I'm so sorry. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's it. Wonderful, wonderful.
Yeah.
I mean, so
Thank you. And I was like so scared because it's my first time performing in front of anyone.
It's pretty pleasant. I mean, the tune is good. The song is so intriguing, and it's really good.
Thank you. And I love this
Thank you,
little
thank
guy
you,
here.
Thank you for